Take cover!
I can't!
Hold on!
I can't! Yeah! Ah! I can't! Yeah! Oh my goodness! We have to take cover! Ah! Oh my god! Ah! Oh!
Oh, it actually spilled water.
That's weird.
That's weird. Thank you so much for watching part 3. If you like this, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And also, join my Roblox group, Jaden Games Studio. Jaden Games and Toys Studios.
Go join him and make sure to always stay happy and rise up.
Bye.
And make sure to take cover when there's earthquakes or something.
Or tornadoes.
Yeah. Bye.
Check another videos right here on the screen. Or not.
We don't know.
Sometimes comments will turn off, but bye.
Yeah. Bye.